welcome to day 3 of Kids Cooking Camp. Today we're going to be learning about knife safety and knife basics. What happened on the other videos is...
On the live
video was because I kept saying knife and this was a kids channel and...
It got removed.
And it got removed by YouTube. So, yeah. So we're just going to do it this way. Okay, you're probably asking, why is knife safety important? Well, for some of you who don't know that, just wanna... Okay, because you could hurt yourself really bad with one of these things. So you always need to be careful with them. Here's some knife tips to keep your knives good and not gross and stuff.
Sharp.
Yeah, and sharp. So you should always use a sharp knife because if it's dull, you'll have to apply more force. And to sharpen a knife, you can use a knife sharpener, which I don't know how to do, but I will learn very soon, so I can show you guys. You should always use the right knife for the task, and you should always keep them clean, and always pay attention to what you're cutting because you don't want to hurt yourself. So this is called a paring knife. This is called a bread knife. This is called a steak knife. And this is a chef's knife. And these are just plastic kids knives that I recommend because they're more safe and you can like touch the blade and it doesn't even hurt and stuff like that. So I recommend these. And here's some safety tips. You should never touch the blade. You should always use a cutting board or a friendly surface for a knife because you don't want to hurt your tables or counters or whatever you have. And you should always have an adult in the kitchen because they need to make sure you're safe and that you use the right knife and things like that. So today I'm not going to demonstrate anything because there's really nothing to demonstrate and might be a little too dangerous. But tomorrow we will demonstrate because tomorrow we're going to learn about dicing and different ways of cutting and stuff like that. So thank you for watching day 3 and I hope I see you tomorrow and thanks for learning with me. Bye!